Hi guys, Farnel here. I'm here with Ninja again, as before. He loves to sing, you guys know that. Well, what I want to be talking to you about today is just a couple of things. I'll be treating a couple of muscles that kind of can give us pain in our everyday life. As a golfer, if you're swinging, this muscle can keep you from moving, limiting your range of motion. As a tennis player, it can. There's another muscle that can actually limit your internal rotation. Also, everyday life, when you're working, you're doing shopping, you're picking up something from a trolley put in the car, you're using these muscles as well, and every other everyday daily activities. That's the word I was thinking. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to start with Ninja. So when my clients come to me, I will actually, so I will start. Can you put your arm by your side, please? Thank you. All right,
what muscles are these called, Farnsies?
They're called infraspinatus. Infraspinatus.
Yeah.
So I'll just hold that. I'll just pin the muscle and just let it relax. Let just Ninja's body just to be comfortable with it. Just his central nervous system letting know that it's not a threat to his body, so his brain can send a message to his muscle to relax. What's the pressure like, Ninja?
Yeah, I'm doing that pretty easy, man. Thank you.
Okay, mate.
Yeah.
Don't go sleep on me.
No, sorry.
All right.
Okay. Need to help you, do I?
Yeah.
Dig up.
Yeah, stop your stumbling.
All right. Yeah. No stumbling in.
Okay. So, and I'll apply a little more pressure than what I did before.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, mate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just hold that.
That's good. No,
there we go.
Good. Yeah, doing plenty.
And I can usually feel the tension underneath my hand, so I'll know when the muscle's really tight, and I will just stop there and I'll just wait until it melts away. It usually takes a bit of time, but it does melt away, and it actually reduces also the pain that the client feels.
Yeah, it's good.
That's really good. So let's go right to the end. I always check also with my clients, make sure that the pressure is okay, it's not too bad, and their pain level is not too much, so you're not being effective. Okay. All right. So this infraspinatus helps us if you're a golfer and trying to swing and you're right-handed and you're limited, this can help you. I've treated a golfer before that couldn't swing and is able to do that.
You're a master, Farnsy.
Yes.
You're a master.
Now what I'll do is I'll just, there'll be certain parts there, there'll be just pressure points, they'll be pressing down on them, and it can be painful. So I'll just wait there. You okay, Ninja?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can tell this is going to hurt.
Yeah. So I work on a scale of 1 to 10. Once we get to 7, I stop and wait for that muscle just to relax, and it will dissipate. It definitely does.
Yeah. Anticipation's killing me, mate.
Sorry, mate. It'll go down. It'll go down.
No, you don't go into it. No revenge things here, mate.
This is not payback, mate. This is not payback. It's all good.
Just we're mates, aren't we?
We are.
We're good mates.
You know, you're my singing partner, so I've got to make sure you're okay.
Yeah. You got your wig ready, mate?
Still learning. Still learning. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to test here.
Oh, I know this is going to be...
Ninja?
Yeah, I'm good.
Painful?
Not yet. I can
Not
sense
yet?
it's going to... yeah.
That's it? Okay.
No, but I'm okay. I thought I was just
okay.
anticipating...
Yeah.
Whoa, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's in the...
Sometimes what happens is when you press, there's initial pain that may be like a 7 or an 8, but it does drop. In some cases, my experience in dealing with clients, sometimes it's a 7 and then it drops down quickly to a 5. And I just hold it until it goes down to about a 3-2 and then release it and move on.
Oh.
Okay, nearly there. I can feel the tissue underneath my thumb. Feel that.
Push it back, is it?
Yeah, no, it's just like, feels like a bit of a nodule.
Solid,
Just
yeah.
just letting go, it's kind of. Yeah. That's good. Now, something happened then.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really, really good.
Yeah, that's therapeutic.
All right, there's one more place I'm going to go for, Ninja.
Yeah.
And I just want to see what you are here like. Okay.
Well.
There. You okay?
Yep.
That's it. You can take it to a grown man, Ninja.
Yeah,
Come
mate,
on.
I am.
Yeah, just
So be a man. I don't feel like I am. I'm still a boy. And we're both boys, aren't we?
At heart.
Yeah.
At heart.
Yeah. Sort of
Okay. Brilliant.
interesting, isn't it?
It is.
We still see ourselves as boys.
All right.
What's another karaoke song you want to sing, mate? You gotta.
Mate, one is enough.
One is enough. I know you like the. There's a few duets, a bit of Dolly Parton,
No,
Kenny Rogers or something.
No.
Come on, we can't just stop at one.
Well, one is a good number.
One.
Solitary number.
Isn't that one of the loneliest numbers?
One's the loneliest number. You can write a song about that.
Could we do a duet on one is the loneliest number? It won't really make sense, will it, man?
I know.
Did a good.
No, that was a quick demonstration, but I'll be taking a little, quite longer than what I'm doing now, because I just want to make sure that I just clean out all those areas that are blockages, and you want to make sure that when they get off the table, they're free to move and they can actually see the range of movement in the shoulders much better. So there's one more muscle. I'm going to ask young Ninja to roll over. Good on you. Okay, so let me put this pillow here. Okay, you lie down. All right, so what I'll be doing, this is your subscapularis,
Yeah,
okay?
mate.
So this is what helps as a muscle that helps with the internal rotation. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just digging in there, just gently, all right? And just trying to, there we go.
Whoa.
Okay, you okay?
Whoa, yeah.
Okay.
Solid,
yeah.
It's invasive or intrusive or something because you're not used to it.
No, you're not used to it. So,
But once you relax a little bit, accept, and just that initial thing is a bit weird.
Yeah, because you don't get treated there much, do you, really?
Yeah.
So that can release the muscle. And all you do is just basically, all I'm doing is just pinning that muscle. It's in two places that I'll be doing that. So, you okay, Ninja?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there.
Oh, microphone. Hello. testy, 1, 2.
Here we go.
Had a good day today, Farnsey?
Oh, man, great day. Three clients are absolutely wonderful.
Yeah.
Love it.
We
Absolutely
had
love
our
it.
meeting this morning.
Yeah, the meeting was good.
You contributed well he's a salesman.
You're right.
Long time salesman. He
Yes,
gets him revenge on whenever I've got him.
No,
Put him on the spot a little bit. You had some good insights.
It's not to get you back.
I'm not sure, man. I reckon you push that a little bit harder when he's
No. Nothing like that. All right.
You're not going to slash my tyres?
No, I won't be doing that. I forgive you.
Oh, thanks, man. It's nice to be forgiven.
It is. Hard thing to do.
Yeah.
Hard thing to do.
Acceptance and understanding. So one of the things
How is it that we get from treating these muscles into forgiveness?
It's a deep concept.
I know. It is a deep concept.
But I think on that thing from DeMartini, he kind of talks about with forgiveness, it's not the best thing because it means that you still haven't resolved it properly because you're saying that they're wrong and you're right. Mm-hmm. But when you can kind of come to a more of a balanced understanding, so if somebody's done something wronged you that you believe there's been an imbalance some way, but we all kind of are mean, we're all kind, and things like that. So it's kind of more about understanding the deeper reason why they might have tried to protect themselves or to, experience life in a certain way, and then it's disadvantaged you or it's put you out, but you're kind of not understanding the full thing. Yeah. You know what I mean? So it's more better to have understanding and kind of owning different things yourself And then you can kind of, instead of forgiving you're right, I'm wrong, you kind of say, I do that sometimes, I sometimes manipulate, I sometimes am mean, or whatever it is. And then it's a totally different kind of feeling. You have fully discharged that emotional charge, blockage. And so it's a deeper thing, but John DeMartini, look into that guy. He's amazing. He should be president, or just running the whole globe. It would be a better place. So I've been into him for a long time, but that's one thing that I learned from him. And whenever people talk about forgiveness, they can. It's good. Don't get me wrong, but there is another level you can go to with understanding what's going on and not carrying that.
Because it does you a disservice.
I forgave them, but I'm still right and they're still wrong. If you know what I mean. I'm taking the higher ground or something, but when there's full understanding, you can collapse that emotional charge and not carry that victim kind of thing.
Mentality.
So you can still be a victim even when you've forgiven somebody, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Now, can you do me a favour? Can you push against my hand and just hold it? Okay, let go. Relax. Good. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm just stretching his muscles.
Oh, again?
Okay, go again, yep. And relax. There's one more.
Yeah, the old PNF stretch.
Yeah, PNF stretches, exactly.
Do you know what that stands for?
Peanut
Peanut butter?
something. I know.
Look
I've
it up.
forgotten.
I
use a lot of acronyms and then you tend to forget the reason. Okay, ready? I'm going to just do a couple of
I hate bloody acronyms.
Acronyms, yeah, I know. Okay.
Except for MMT.
Oh, you love that.
That's a good one.
Okay, push back. Keep going. Okay, relax. Great.
Bit further.
Okay, push again. Keep on going. Keep going. Relax. And one more time.
Push up.
Beautiful. Not yet. Wait.
Yep.
Push up. Okay, relax. That's it. Now let's come out of that slowly. Isn't it something neurofacilitation or something?
Neuromuscular facilitation, yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
That PNF. All right. Okay, so that was a short piece there of just a couple of small muscles that I've treated. So if you've got any rotator cuff issues, you're finding it difficult to swing your externally rotate or internally rotate, just make a booking with me on Wednesdays here at Richmond, on Thursdays at Furniture Gully. Love to meet you and love to treat you. See you guys.
Get it done.